Juicypixel, where are you two at this time of the evening? Well, it's only 5 o'clock. And we are in New Brighton here on the Wirral Peninsula, which is in Cheshire, not Liverpool. Liverpool's over there where the cranes are, as you can see in the distance. So yeah, I come over to see a friend of the family, and while I'm here, let's go and show you the new Brighton Castle and Lighthouse. I've got my drone in my pocket, so let's see what we can do. Let's try and work the magic. But this is a Wednesday video, so we're not going to go any longer than 15 minutes. That's the limit I give for these Wednesday videos. Something quick and snappy. Let's address you lot, you know, because this channel is all about you. It's not about me sometimes. So yeah, let's explore the seafront here in New Brighton, or as the locals call, Newbo. This is a popular place if you're into fishing too, and there's quite a few popular YouTuber fishermen who actually fish this side of the Mersey River. So anyway, let's go and show you the Mersey, and then we'll head towards the castle. So here we are on Newbo Beach. This is New Brighton Castle here, which has got a electrical substation in it, I think. But it looks like it's open at the front, so we'll go for a nosy. If it is open to the public, it's going to be closing soon, but this is Seaforth Liverland here. And just up there, you can't see it, but there's an RAF, there's like a little RAF turret on the corner there, because the jets fly up and down here while they come up through Snowdonia. They beeline over you, and sometimes the jets go down the Mersey, and if you're lucky you'll get a whoosh. And there you can see the new Goodison Park, I'll say that. But yeah, New Brighton's like Barry Island, but it's a tiny bit better. But I got a soft spot for Barry Island and the culture in South Wales. But yeah, it's got Barry Island vibes for you lot who are watching for South Wales, or for you lot who don't actually live in Liverpool or the surrounding area. But yeah, because I got such a wide lens on, these cranes here look so small to you lot. So I might superimpose an image here on what it actually looks like for me, but they are huge. Where I currently live in Seaforth Liverland in North Liverpool is directly behind these cranes. So if you go just behind the cranes, the street I live on is right there. So when I go to my street, I can see the opposite side. But yeah, let's head on down to the castle here and see if we can get in. The gate does look open, which is quite cool. I did want to keep this video quite short, but if we end up going onto a bit of an adventurous tangent, then so be it. So let's go and have a quick look. And I hope you lot are doing alright. The Slovakia series, if I'm planning this video right, this should be the last video this Saturday going up. So have a look. Escape the Thought. So it's like an escape game going on. And then what's this? The Cozy Calf Bar, mulled wine, pies, and hot food and a log fire. So I do have to get back to Liverpool within the next hour, but let's head down here and have a little look. Fort Perch Rock. Yeah, so this is called Perch Rock. And then one of the local pubs in New Brighton here, they've actually got a pub called Perch Rock as well. So this is not an ancient castle. This is probably more of a modern day sort of castle, with like cannons and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, let's go and have a nosy. The mess. Perch Rock, lad. Let's go and have a nose. So they were just closing as I went in, but it looked really cool in there. I think they're going with that sort of post-war sort of thing. Post-war sort of vibes. William Churchill poster on the wall in there. But yeah, let's get some shots of the lighthouse. It might be too dark now, but maybe I should have just walked straight there than go here. But last time I went here was probably about 3 years ago. I've been here since, but I haven't come to the castle for a couple of years. So let's try and catch the last bit of the sunset. I'm gonna frog march over you quite quickly, so I'll catch you once we're over by the lighthouse. Let's keep rolling just so you guys can enjoy it as much as me. So the tide's right out here. Yeah, the tide is right out. So, I guess if I'm going to get my drone up, this is the perfect opportunity to do so. And then after we get this drone clip, I'll go somewhere a bit quieter and talk to you guys about what today's video is mainly about. What a beautiful shot that is. Right, let's get the drone out. Sunsets to the east. So this is one of many mermaids you'll see scattered around the town of New Brighton right by here. But yeah, let's find some light and just address you guys before I finish the video. Hope you enjoyed the little drone shots. This new DJI Nano 2, Neo 2 actually, can really hold its ground in the night time, which is cool. But yeah, let's look for somewhere light and I'll just finish up with you guys. There's no statue over here, a dog one. So I think this used to be a bingo hall. I don't even know if it's a bingo hall anymore. There might be a gym up there and stuff. But there's a doggy wog, yeah? To commemorate the foundation of the Guide Dogs and Blind Association at the Cliff, New Brighton, 1931. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this used to be a bingo hall at one point. Right, so this should be good for now. So this video is going to come up just before the last Slovakian series video, so enjoy this Saturday. So just a heads up, there's going to be an Athens series that is going to take over the Slovakian series that is going to end this Saturday. So I'm going to be out there with my best mate Nick. He's got a degree in ancient history, and a lot of his degree is based around Greek mythology and all sorts of stuff like that, the old gods. So he's going to be our guide on that tour. Right, then when we come back, that series is going to roll. Then while that's rolling, me and Ruth, we're going to go to the north of Norway to a place called Tromsø. So we're going to explore hopefully the Northern Lights, and it'll be my first time in the Arctic Circle, so that is a massive tick off my list this year for achievements, going to the Arctic Circle for a few nights. Then in August we're off to Zante for 10 days, so there's going to be a 15-part series there, which is going to be awesome. Right, we're back. So yeah, being in the Arctic Circle is going to be a massive achievement for me, which is going to be epic. I've been to Norway before, by the way, so it'll be my second time there, but this time in a very cold part. We're going to hopefully go and see some huskies too, and yeah, that's going to be it for that trip. Yeah, so before I cut the last clip, well, I'm off to Zante, as I explained, for 10 days of roof, so that's going to be an awesome trip. There's also, I think there's like 2 trips planned for May, but we haven't like concluded those yet. So there might be an Albanian trip, but there also might be a Croatia trip. So those are like penciled in at the moment. You get a lot of scallies come down here on the bike sometimes. Where else is planned this year? I think that's it. But yeah, in approximately 3 weeks from now I will be living in South Wales, so there's going to be a change of scenery for you guys, change of content, which is going to be great. I will be back in Liverpool periodically, maybe like once a month, you know, because I do have extended family up here and friends I've known for 10 years now, you know. So yeah, it's going to be a bit of a change. I'm so used to living in a city, just having like all this epicness here at hand's reach. So yeah, it's going to be a bit of a change for me to go back to South Wales, but I don't have any gripes about it. You know, it's my homeland, and while I'm there, I'm going to try and do good for Wales. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Just a little tab in to show you a bit of New Brighton, explain what's going to happen. I did explain in my last video, which was in Manchester, but that was right at the end of the video. So some of you guys don't watch long videos, you like to watch up to about 15 minutes, which is totally understandable. I do it too. Sometimes I'll watch a video and go and forget to come back and finish watching it. But yeah, obviously if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, of course, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and enjoy this Saturday's last video in Slovakia, where we head into the town and we head to the airport. So yeah, peace and love from Juicypixel. Catch you next time. Peace.